Welcome to your online classes. Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss book exercise of lesson number 3 from your English literature book Treasures of English at page number 32 and 33. Dear students, our today's first topic under grammar is prepositions. Let us discuss a word that shows the relation of one thing with another in a sentence is called a preposition. For example, the cat is on the table. Here, the word on is showing a relationship between cat and the table. It means in this sentence, cat and tables are things, and the word on is showing a relationship between the cat and the table. Let us discuss prepositions of place. In the first picture, you can see that the apple is in the box. Where is apple? It is in the box. In the second picture, where is apple? It is on the box. It is on the box. In next picture, where is apple? It is under the box. It is under the box. In the next picture, you can see that the apple is between two boxes. Apple is between two boxes. In the next picture, where is apple? It is going into the box. It is going into the box. You can see the difference between in and into. Please check it out again. You can see the difference between in and into. In this position, apple is in the box, but here apple is going into the box. Let us discuss where is apple in the last box. Yes, here apple is behind the box. Apple is behind the box. Let us do this exercise which is given at page number 32 in your English literature book. Here a help box is given. Here you can see that the elephant is sitting dash the sofa. Where is elephant? You can see that it is sitting on the sofa. Second sentence, it is sitting dash the mouse and the cat. Where is elephant? You can check it out. It is sitting between the mouse and the cat. In the third sentence, it is peeping dash the door. You can check it out. Where is elephant? It is peeping from the door. It has now come out and is hiding dash the table. Check it out. Where is the elephant? Elephant is hiding under the table. In the next sentence, it is climbing dash the ladder. You can see that. What is ladder? Where is elephant? Elephant is climbing up, means going up the ladder. In the last sentence, you can see that it is now sitting dash the box. Now check it out and tell me, where is the elephant? Yes, the elephant is in the box, not going into the box. It is in the box. Let us discuss our next question. Dear students, in this question we have to write the words in blue in an alphabetical order. You can see that here some words like cunning, die, proud, bored, howl that are written in blue color. What we have to do? We have to arrange them in an alphabetical order. How we will arrange them? First of all, we will check the first alphabet of each word. Here you can see that first alphabet of first word is C. Now move to next word. First alphabet of second word is D. Next, first alphabet is B. Next, proud, P. And next one is howl, H. Now what will we do? Now we have to write down the word that first started with A. Is there any word which is starting with A? No. Now we will check, is there any word which is starting with B? Yes, bowed is here. So we will write bowed at first place. Now is there any word that is starting with C? Yes, cunning is there. So we will give it to, or we will write at second place. Is there any word that is starting with D? Yes, die is there. So we will write die at third place. Similarly, we will move ahead and we will write the words according to our alphabetical order. Next we will write H, howl, and then we will write word proud. In this way, we will arrange the words which were written in blue color in an alphabetical order. Dear students, now you have to consult a dictionary to find out the meaning of these words. Which words? These words, and you have to write here the meaning of these words. Okay students, dear students, today we have done book exercise of page number 32 and 33. I hope this topic is clear to all of you. We will meet in our next class. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day. Thank you.